Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something super exciting for you. If you're into design, diagrams, or professional chart making, you probably already know about Wondershare EDrawMax. It's one of the most powerful diagramming tools out there. But here's the thing, you don't have to pay full price. In this video, I'm going to share some Wondershare EDrawMax coupon codes, promo deals, and discount tips for 2025. Stick around till the end because I'll not only give you codes, but also the best way to always grab fresh discounts every single time. Now let's jump right into the coupon codes you can try when checking out on the Wondershare EDrawMax website, EDrawMax. Save. Flat 25% off on yearly plans. EDraw 2025 Pro, 30% off on EDrawMax Pro version WS Soft, 25 EDR. Special 25% discount on all Wondershare software bundles. EDrawMax 2025 OFF. Save 20% on lifetime license. Get a draw 30% off for new users in 2025 EDR25 GLOBAL. Global users get 25% off DRAWMAXSAVE40, up to 40% off seasonal deals. Alright, so how do you actually use these? It's simple. Visit a trusted coupon site like Hosting Coupon Spot or the official Wondershare Deals page. Copy the coupon code you like, head over to the Wondershare EDrawMax checkout page, and select your plan. Paste the code into the coupon code or promo code box. Apply it and boom, you'll see your price drop instantly. Quick note though, coupon codes can change or expire, so if one doesn't work, don't worry. Just head back to sites like Hosting Coupon Spot, where you'll always find updated 2025 discounts. Now here's the thing, Wondershare often runs bundle deals too. So if you're someone who also uses Filmora or PDF Element, you can actually save a lot more by combining tools under a single discount package. So to wrap this up, if you're planning to get Wondershare EDrawMax this year, don't forget to apply one of these coupon codes or check the links in the description for the latest 2025 offers. Saving 20 to 40% on professional tools you'll use daily is honestly a no-brainer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more Coupon A